I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning how I clean my beauty blenders and my makeup brushes, then stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified every time I post a video, then don't forget to hit the little notification button. Bye! Okay, as you can see right here, I have all my beauty blenders and they're all dirty, as you can see. Now I'm just rubbing the beauty blender, and I'm treating the beauty blender almost like a sponge. I'm rubbing it on the bar of soap, whatever bar of soap you want to use, but I'm using Dove, and I'm kind of rubbing each side and kind of squeezing the beauty blender as well, so all the soap can get inside like a sponge. And I'm just continuing it until I'm satisfied with the outcome. And you're going to be able to see all the foundation and everything on your soap. As you can see, it's all clean. And now the next one, look at that after picture. So as you can see, it's a lot of repetitive things inside this video. I just wanted to show you, how I'm cleaning each different type of beauty blender, how they're all different colors, and it works for each and every type and color, and it comes out pretty clean, if you ask me. And I'm not going to be talking too much in this video, but it is going to be a lot of repetitive things. So as you can see in that after picture, it doesn't, like, all the spots did not come off, but that's okay. That beauty blender is kind of old, but I still got it pretty clean. And you can still get your beauty blenders really, really clean using this concept. Like, let's be real, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm sure once you try out this way, you're going to be amazed at how clean your beauty blenders actually look. Okay, here's my brush. As you can see, it looks really, really dirty. You want to wet the brush and then rub it around on your soap, and you're going to see all the makeup that comes onto it. It's disgusting. As you can see, it came out all white. If you want to, I use a little bit of my face soap as well to help me, and you can totally do that as well. And I'm using a little makeup board. I made that actually myself with the glue stick. If you guys want to learn how to make that board, then let me know, and I'll do a tutorial on how to do it. So as you can see, now I'm doing a eyeshadow brush, and I'm using the board to make sure I get it real clean. And as you can see, it came out pretty white. And when you're doing your rinsing, you don't want to hold your brush like this underneath the water. You want to make sure your brush is angled downward, because that will mess up your bristles, and your bristles will fall out, and so will like the little metal piece onto the wood stick that is like the handle of your brush. So you want to make sure you hold it at the right angle and squeeze it out once you turn it upside down. That way you're not having too much liquid sit in there. As you can see, I'm using the board. The board has a lot of different types of like dots and wiggly lines on it, and it honestly helps for different types of brushes. Like I said, if you want me to do a tutorial on it, then just comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely do a video on that. As you can see, the brushes are all white. Big difference. And if you want your brushes to not be stiff, you flick your fingers back and forth and they come out nice and fluffy. So as you can see, flick it back and forth, nice and fluffy, and it's brand new. And as you can see, I used all my brushes right here. I cleaned all my brushes. It is very time consuming, but this method works really, really well. And all my brushes came out beautifully. They are all clean, and I just love doing it like this. I also take a makeup wipe and clean the handles of the brushes as well, as I'm putting them in there one by one, and then I let them air dry. Alright, so as you can see, here's all my makeup brushes right here. They're all really super clean. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.